Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening notes and selecting or creating a folder so your work stays organized. This matters for later search. Tap the Compose icon and immediately use your Apple Pencil to start a new note. Apple Pencil is automatically recognized. Next, choose a paper style and pen tip. These settings change feel and legibility. Once done, name the note at the top so you can find it quickly, and make sure iCloud Sync is on if you want access across devices. You'll alternate between handwriting and sketches depending on your goal. Scribble converts neat handwriting to typed text automatically, which is great for searchable notes. Switch tools with the toolbar. Use pen for writing, pencil for shading, marker for emphasis, and the eraser to remove mistakes. Use the lasso to select content and move or resize it. That keeps layouts tidy. Make sure to adjust thickness and color for clarity, and practice light verses, firm strokes to control pressure effects. You finish by organizing. Add tags, pin frequently used notes, or lock sensitive items to protect them. Export when needed, share as PDF, or convert handwriting to text for use in other apps. Once done, archive or delete drafts to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong, check iCloud Notes and Wi-Fi first. Toggle notes off and on in settings, then reconnect. If the pencil stops responding, check Bluetooth and battery. A quick restart usually clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.